Yep. Son of a bitch.
Oh, it's even sunny. Field?
Yeah. Can you click the GoPro on right here? I got it. Alright, I'm trying point of interest here. Alright, first mistake, point of interest. Basically what that does is it focuses on whatever you like draw a box around, but it's meant for a stationary target. I mean, I knew that this drone doesn't have side sensors, so it's kind of my fault, but I got so kind of engrossed in tracking the buggy. The intelligent flight mode of point of interest keeps the camera focused on the point, which in this case is the buggy, and then all you have to do is fly the drone. We were kind of on our field. I was at the edge of the field, but obviously things happened.
Right or left?
Left. Oh, shucks.
Crash it?
Yep. Son of a bitch. Left. Oh, shucks.
Crash it?
Yep. Son of a bitch. Well, let's see.
Oh, you want to go back?
No, I'll just get out.
Brake on, buddy?
I don't know yet. The thing fell off.
Here, this thing is still recording. It was a cute picture with it covered in snow, and then your face came in the middle.
Well, the camera seems to still be working.
You just need to wipe. Oh, you wiped it off already.
Well, the camera still works.
Okay. Try the whole thing.
Alright, so I dumped it. I hit a tree and it fell in the snow about 20 to 30 feet, but it looks like it's going to fly. Filter fell off, so I got to clean that, put a filter on, and we'll try it again.
There's a water drop on it. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm working on it. Okay, so the good news is I cleaned it off. I cleaned the N32 filter off, put that back on, and kind of dried everything off the best I could, and I was able to fly it again. So we finished our trail ride, our Christmas trail ride. We got some good footage, but I was still getting error messages. So I took it in the house. I put it on one of the heater vents and let everything dry off nicely. I used one of those little cloth pads and cleaned the sensors off and that. I had to recalibrate the gimbal and that, but everything seems to be back to 100%. Probably a good thing it was snow, but that thing, the unit is so light that, you know, crashing is probably not going to cause as much damage. I mean, I've crashed my Phantom 4 like 4 different times. So fingers crossed, we're looking pretty good for the next adventure. By the way, we did finish the video, so stay tuned to our channel for the Christmas snow ride video. And best of luck with your drones. I'm continuing to learn on this Mini 3 Pro. It's an awesome little unit, but obviously you got to kind of be careful. So I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks a lot.